Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews. And if you're not new, welcome back guys, it's so good to see you. Today, I actually am gonna do an unboxing of a bag, and the bag that I'm gonna unbox is in this box, and it came smashed. And it is from The RealReal. So I don't normally order off RealReal. We all kind of know what happens with The RealReal, and I've had horrible experiences with them with selling me a fake in the past, but I looked at the photos of this bag and it's like one of the other two that I already have in my collection. So I just thought, you know what? I saw this color come up. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it. I'm not gonna waste too much time because I know everybody is here to just like watch me rip this sucker open. And I don't even need a knife because the box is already pretty much destroyed. So it came today. I mean, look at this. It's like the dust bag right there is already showing. No packing material, just the bag in a box that's like literally destroyed. I hope the bag's okay. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. So, here we have it. Okay.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Oh, my phone. Here it is. This is the Proenza Schouler PS1 in the medium size, and it's in a color that is absolutely beautiful. It's true to color, as what you're seeing.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Are you kidding me? You can be quiet now, Siri. So the inside looks really good. It did not come with a dust bag. It was listed in very good condition. It's absolutely beautiful. There is some tarnishing on some of the hardware pieces, and it did note like that there was going to be some scratches on, like minor scratches on this piece, which is pretty common, but it does feel like, you know, she's had some wear. Like the backside feels really, really smooth, like a little bit smoother feeling than my blue one. I'm currently using my blue one right here, and this is like in perfect shape. I've always loved this one. That one came from Fashionphile, but this one, I can pretty much tell it's authentic. I'm pretty sure it is. I may still send this off to get authenticated at like True Authentication or Real Authentication actually, but yeah, overall the inside looks really clean. Smells good. Smells like someone else's house, but yeah, it looks really good. The PS1 has an inside pocket, and this one didn't come with like any authentication card, no dust bag, but the price was really right. I posted it up on Instagram that it was $3.75. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Again, I think it was worn a little bit more than what I would have expected, but you know, overall, it's absolutely beautiful. It really is. The leather in the back, it just feels a lot smoother. It's kind of hard to explain. So this makes Proenza Schouler PS1 number 3 for me. I have this one, and then I have a gray one that I've shown on my channel, and I love it. And then I have this one. And you guys, I'd say like I would take like 2 more of these. I absolutely love this bag so much. The way it fills up with all of your crap, just all on the inside, the way it just, I love this bag because you can put it like clear up to here if you wanted to, which is so much nicer than like a Cassie because you can actually wear this in the crook of your arm. Whereas a Cassie's just like grabbing it by the top handle. And top handle bags are so perfect because just ease of use, like getting it on and off your body. The strap on the PS1, it's not as long as I hope it would be, but I still like wear this as a high crossbody, like in a pinch. So, you know, it's just so pretty. I don't know if I need a fourth, but I mean, I wouldn't turn it down if it was the right deal. I have been kind of wanting to get some with silver hardware lately, and possibly like the new editions of these bags. It's a little bit of a different structured leather, a little bit more structured, a little bit of a different interior. This is like a second generation one with that type of lining in it. So yeah, this was just a very impromptu video, just of an unboxing, but I wanted to show you that box that this bag came in. I'm like, okay, Real, they need to get it right. Yeah, overall though, the leather looks really good. I know she's been kind of loved, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to stuff her. I'm gonna get her stuffed like a turkey, and then just kind of let her sit in my closet to kind of get the smells, because it has a tiny bit of like a curry-ish smell. Not like, yeah, it's a little curry-ish. I may throw in some dryer sheets into this bad boy, so yeah. Okay, just let me know down in the comments if you like Proenza Schooler. You guys, like, the brand is so cool, like totally my vibes. I love Proenza Schooler now, like through and through. And yeah, so not the most popular bags anymore, but they're good. Like, I just really love them a lot. So, along with other bags. I mean, we're all addicts here, right? So, okay guys, that's all I got for you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.